Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
So hey, I agree to now. So my dear sister, we go fire down. We go fire down because our mama na gbese ije mula wa. Omo no gbe ije mula wa. We need to fire down. Osanze Jolly, good evening, brother. I agree to now. I agree to now. I go like may other women come join me with they talk politics together. Not be the one where they do saga so. It good may women they let their voice. They may people see they hear women voice. Not be only men. Not be only men. Provided you not insult anybody. You not curse anybody, papa. You not curse anybody, mama. Talk your own. I say Joseph, good evening, my brother. I agree to now. I agree to now. Good evening, good evening. Please help me to share, help me to share, help me to share, help me to invite. My write-up this evening. Oh, I will play the music later. I go play it later. Because we need to fire down. I see they also. May we just take them from fire. Quick. Before it go cool down. When ma. Wa dunwe manya. Oh, what when ni nyani wa ya tony. Where wa yodo wa ya kind. Oh, wa yodo aloe. Where is a yodo aloe. Oga ire sun. Oga inyani ga ho ane. E mani gisun. Na so. I agree to now, my people. I agree to now. Now, good evening. My topic today now about my brother, about Obaze, and Mr. Governor Godwin Obaseki. Why I put these two people? Because now they go their war, and they check different people war, and they check those way they support governor war, and they check their war. Me no they go for say saga. No, I know they do saga because saga not be waiting. A saga be a messy. You know they born better picking. Now bad picking they born. If you they do saga, now saga they born bad picking. If they born disgrace, if they born shame, if they born insult. Saga they bring shamefulness to the kingdom, especially when you know the kingdom where you come from. If Oyibo they respect your kingdom, and you where you come from the kingdom, you they bring them down. Automatically you are bringing a bad name to that kingdom, to God who made me. If Oyibo people, you tell Oyibo say you are from Benin Empire, Benin Kingdom, they know say Benin don't go far, not be today. Benin don't go far to God who made me. If where we come from that state, we really get respect for our state. Yeah, waiting we go talk, my dear sister Stella. No. Now see our brother, just that he get pride. How about get pride? He get pride. If he be say Otwen of Uwegbe, you don't know. Now so because we always come from Edo State, we connect one way or the other. We connect, we on a family, one way or the other. You feel they speak Esan, you feel they speak Ora, you feel they speak Igbanke. But that history of Benin Kingdom, it connects all of us. Go reach Delta, the whole of South, even Onitsha. That Benin, we all connect one way or the other. Now, just that money never day. You know, a lot of people, especially the black Americans, then they go do their DNA. Some go tell you, say they are from Benin Kingdom. They know where they really came from. After their DNA, don't tell them their history and everything. They go still show them, say, yes, they are from Benin Kingdom. You don't know, you never can tell, because you never know the family history, oh my dear sister. If you be say, Egbo uhunu wetue, when man connect a sada owawe. You feel connect for your mama side, you feel connect for your papa side. You know, if you see mama side now, mama side get two language, because why? Two greetings. A side, the one, your grandmother side, they get their greetings. Your grandfather side get their greetings. That is for your own mama. Your papa side, now see the same, because you go get grandpapa, you go get grandmama. So you don't know. We never know. That's why me I always they say my brother, because I don't know whether I connect with anybody. You understand? I don't know whether I connect with anybody, but for me, one place where I know they like to connect, talk, they go. One of my own side, for my father's side, connect Ero family. I connect there, where, to where. So that's why sometimes I remi wagbona. If person can say, yeah, you come from Ero family, ime wa yo bogbe we, ovia oikin, isa gen oromo wegbe. Now so it be. Now so that's why it be say sometimes, may we know they too they cause that heavy cost, those bad costs. Those bad costs will go on, no, you're not good. It's not good at all. You're not good. That is for that one. But Obaze, my brother, I don't see your video where you don't do for these 2 days. You know? These few days where you don't do video. It's not good the way you are talking. It's not good because at the end of the day, you cannot fight everybody. You cannot fight everybody. In this life, you must have opposition. If you don't have opposition to checkmate you, if you don't have opposition to talk to you that you are doing wrong things, you will not survive. You will not survive. You, Abatobaze, are supposed to be thanking the opposition side of it. You people are supposed to be thanking the opposition because the oppositions are the one making the governor to work in that Edo state. Peter Fred, I greet you. Ima Esoe, I greet. Mohammed Abulai, I greet you now. Good evening. If there is no opposition, all over the world, you not see what happened to the president of France. What happened to the president of France? The only thing where they go do that man, if na woman a get one, you know, I'm where you be. Now me tell you, then go only rehabilitate her to God who made me. If na man for slapping a president, a whole president, you want ABFE. I say, I greet. Shokorandi, I greet you, my brother. See, if na only waiting that person will slap the president of France today do, the only thing they can find him, they can jail him maybe 24 hours, even within that 24 hours. And they tell you now, within that 24 hours, a lawyer fee stand for her. Maybe the case go court. The only thing they fee give us, say, make it go clean. Make it go clean the street. Make it go work for 38 hours. The fee tell her say, make it go work for 40 hours. The fee tell her make it go work for 300 hours. Or make it pay fine. You want say, but he don't slap her, he don't slap her. He don't slap him, he don't slap him. He don't slap the president. That is what I'm telling a lot of people, because sometimes we as a Nigerian, we see politics as in, oh, not talk to governor, not talk to president, not talk to senator, not talk to this one. At the end of the day, they are not helping. They are not helping. It not mean say you support somebody or you vote for person. It's possible the man that slapped the president of France today, maybe that person was hungry. It's possible he was angry with some certain things that they are not meant to be. Anything can happen here. And they tell you, some people, they throw egg. Me, I don't see a lot. When you go carry egg, you not go see anything do. Koti go only hold the person. You want say? The fit tell you, say, go work 300 hours as a punishment. The fit find you. If you don't come see money to pay for your fine, you go work. You say? But it not be like Africa. Oh, that African mentality say, if governor can't they do bad, or president can't they do bad, or senator can't they do bad. The problem, the main problem we have in Africa, the main problem, please help me to share. The biggest problem that we have in Africa is for us as human. Be you man, be you woman, be you young, be you old. Don't collect money from any politician. If Africa can change their mindset not to collect 1 cent, 1 dime from any politician, I believe Africans will have the voice to talk to whoever they want to talk to. Oh, that's for POI. And they tell you, my brother, you see, thank you. Now, all those things that they for Nigeria, that they like to bring fear come Africa. The problem we as an African we have today is collecting money, selling our vote. Once you sell your vote, you automatically, you sell your human rights. You sell everything about you. You sell your voice. You sell your ability to talk to them. You sell everything, your family. You sell all of them. Because you don't collect that money. At the end of the day, they work. They no work. Let me tell you now, say, maybe governor go borrow money, one contest. He go borrow 5 billion naira from Central Bank. Take contest, for example. Then those money come share and give una. Take. Once he enter, now how he go to pay that money back? Make the debt no dey in name. Now in go they work towards. Not be you as human being now where go stand under the sun. Go vote for her. Because why? You don't already sell your own vote. You don't already sell your pride. A pride where you don't already sell and give them. You sell her maybe 500 naira. You fit sell your own for 1,000. You fit sell your own for 500 naira. You don't sell them. At the end of the day, whereby you have sold your pride, everything about you. You don't sell and give one man. Where the voice where you want to talk to the person. Where the voice where you want to tell the person, say, I not support you because say you want to give me money. That is why the European, the Americans, the Asians, name it on other continents, they have the voice to talk to their government. You think say that person where is slapping today? Okay, wano. If una they expect a life imprisonment, nothing like that for Europe. Nothing like that for Europe. But that person don't already day history way back. Everybody don't see and say, somebody slapped France president. It is common because people don't sell their right. People don't sell their vote for 1 bag of rice or 20 cups of rice or even Indomie. Whereby governor go come carry 2 cartons of Indomie, go give 10 community, make them share them. Automatically, you don't sell your birthright be that. You don't sell your birthright be that. It's just like the story of Esau and Jacob. That is what politics is all about. Elvis Joe, I greet you, Baba. Praise Frederick, I greet you. Good evening. At the end of the day, automatically you've sold your birthright. You've sold your birthright, collecting anything. The only thing, the mentality that Africans, they need to change is to tell them, I don't want to sell my vote. Go and use that money to work. You can campaign. Campaign is supposing Africa, that they allow all these government, all these people, they campaign. Like, when I see the election of America, let me just say America, because for Europe own, they're not too much they advertise like that. But some of us know how Europe own they play. For where me they, I know how they play. Souvenir diaspora for POI where they almost use and take break Berlusconi head. It is common here. Even some women, they carry their menstruation pad, use and take stone somebody where not walk away. It is common. Some they spit. Some they even carry spaghetti. Or one learn for never food where you supposed to eat for house. He go just put her for plate, carry her for rubber bag, go give them, use and slap somebody for face. Boy. You not go see anything doing. Until we African, because these people, they are hungry. Why? Why are they hungry? Because they didn't sell their birthright. They didn't sell their vote. So if somebody coming out maybe after work, maybe the person don't go work 5 o'clock, he can't come back, then he can't vote for you. After work, he can't go vote for you. Maybe 5 o'clock in the evening, can't vote for you. He never go ask. Then at the end of the day, when you don't get that position, you can't misbehave. They will not take it lightly with you. They won't take it lightly with you. For you, my brother, Abat Obaze, I will still call you my brother. Get me, I am from Ovia. Partly my mother's side, father's side, Ovia. And other side of me, I am from Uwonde also. From Uwonde. So, but what I'm trying to let you know today, this evening, Agbona, no muerio waro. When you are talking to people, after politics, it is left for you to replay your card again. How are you playing your card? It is left for you open dialogue after politics don't finish. It depends on how you win souls, how you win people. Winning people be say, people will not feel like the governor, the way where you will take they talk to them, the way where you will take they address them. It's like you are also working. Because if you dey work for governor, that work no dey finish. Because you want possess the governor as a good man to the people. You want possess the governor as a honest man, as a hard-working man to the people. But not the one you are quarreling. Abat. The time, the day, any moment that you are quarreling with everybody, automatically, you are giving more people the chance to talk to the governor the way they want to talk to him. You are making people not to relate from the governor. Because as for me now, the one that I've seen now, at the year yesterday, now say he want build the airport. I just laugh, my people. He want to laugh. That airport automatically is voice me. Automatically is voice me. But election finish, not finish. So long your governor is still in position, it is left for you to unite people. It is left for you to say, oh, Comrade Tony Kabaka Baba, even though we quarrel during the time of election, this we get bruises, but you are still my uncle. You are still my elder brother. I still love you no matter what. That is what you're supposed to be saying now. You unite your opposition. That is when you will seek people, they start decamping. Not be the one where you can't come out. You can't they insert, they talk, they feel like, hey, where this one? This one, Mutari, Ebostone. And these are people where be say maybe they're not even they look for any of these people. But you are trying to remind them that, oh, this government, we need to work against anybody that want to say, oh, let me not talk to the governor again. Comrade Tony Kabaka is not scared to talk to the governor. Abat, let me tell you one thing. Blood, they say, is thicker than water. Let me tell you one thing. No matter what, the blood relationship between Comrade Tony Kabaka and Governor Godwin Obaseki, you will never wash it away. Because a family of Bawenyache, they still remain one family. Things that connect family, there are ways you talk about it. There are ways you stay away from it. There are ways you say, I don't want to go there because these people, they are family. Tomorrow they might use me to settle. Tomorrow they might be family again. A family, so long the day Comrade Tony Kabaka don't come and say, Governor Godwin Obaseki and his own mother, they are first cousin. But you've got nothing. You can never change it. Where do I be governor nya? No. Where do I family governor nya? No. Everybody have right to criticize whoever they want to criticize. Everybody have right to, if the governor is not doing the right thing, people have right so long they don't insult him. I don't insult him. Me, if he call him media me, it's no problem because the way he was doing reflect to that character. You know, if you say because somebody not support you, may you go destroy your hotel, may you go destroy business, may you go destroy. At the end of the day, you are sinking Edo State. If you as a governor, you want to help Edo State, don't destroy any business in Edo State that is providing food for Edo indigene. Because that Comrade Tony Kabaka Hotel was giving people food He was a master of his own, employing people to work for him. So people like that are people that we are supposed to be compensated no matter what. Anybody where don't open business, that's why me I know they like. City boss, I greet you, Baba. That's why me I know they like, say, anybody can come. Say, they can't they insult or they downgrade people where be say, they employ anybody. People, they Comrade Tony Kabaka, people where you employ. How about your family fit there? Where be say inside family where they there, where they work for that man, where you don't know. But today, they're sinking hand down. Those are things that we are supposed to think that, okay, we need to dialogue with the governor, that no matter what, Mr. Governor, sir, please don't destroy any property. Don't destroy any property. So long these people are using their property to also survive Edo State indigene. Person where can they pay 20 people workers? Organo. If now Europe not go ever destroy. To God who made me. Even those workers, because of those workers, then they themselves, then go look for work. Give those workers. Even if they destroy that thing, then destroy that place. Those workers, then go put them. A lot of us day where be say we don't work well for Europe here. You feel sit down for us 20 years. So long you don't even work at all. And you not just say you go sit down for us because you not get one reason. If you dey sick, you get pain. The government will say, okay, no problem, no work. But we can be paying you 70% of your salary. Okay, those people that were working in that hotel that day, who is paying them 70% of their salary? Do we have such law in Nigeria? We don't have it. We don't have it because if you lose your job for a year, for midday, automatically the government will be paying you 70% of your salary for the first 3 months. They themselves will still help you to look for job. Now they help you, they look for job. Now you go come they select. You feel even tell them say, I don't want to work again, I want to go school. Then go still help you say, okay, go school so hours, go work so hours, so that you will not lack too much. Sometimes the first 3 months, you will get 100%. After that 3 months, they take your salary to 70%. You know, there's nothing like that day. Those people that we are working in that hotel, who is talking about them today? Are we going to talk about the students? College of Education, Ekiadola? Where are the students? Maybe any who yazeli biani. My brother Herbert, sometimes we have to swallow our pride. Pride. Swallow your pride. I can see that you are filled with pride. Herbert, you get pride. Reduce your pride. Reduce that limit. Reduce the limit of pride, my brother. Reduce it. Bring it down. Politics don't finish. Election don't finish. Fine. Court case don't finish. Fine, no problem. One must be a winner and one must be a loser. It doesn't mean that you that lost, that you are not a winner. You are a winner fighting for what you believe in. That is me for you. I am a winner fighting for what I believe in, because I was in Nigeria in 2018. November, December, I was there. I didn't see anything. Nothing new. Nothing new. Nothing new. So if nothing new there, so then I can't see opportunity to choose another person. I will do the same thing. Just like the past election in America. President Trump was trying. I'm not say the man not try. Some people feel agree with me. Some people feel not agree with me. But una go see and say that 4 years of President Donald J. Trump. When me anybody Niger do turn on. When me anybody not gbale bomb yegbe when ya blow egbe off. Wa did you people hear any of, let me say, anywhere? Because a lot of people were tired of war. Ewani gbale bombu yegbe wa ye mi wa hon eriona blow off wa eriona blow off we man eriona. I think a lot of few people now they see problem whereby things that we are going through, maybe those living in diaspora. You see a lot of security everywhere tight. Even for train station, you can't see police, you can't see soldier, you can't see before those things no day. In no day. In no day. In no day. But at the end of the day, when it can't be say your Mr. Governor don't win now, somebody like me, Abat Obaze, may I tell you, my brother, not be everybody wait there Europe they hungry for money to God who made me. Somebody like me, if supposing a Governor Godwin Obaseki can support, I will never take 1 cent from him. 1 naira, 1 kobo, no way. That money, you should use it to work for Edo. You should use it for the betterment of the land. That is what we are talking about. Not by sharing money. Not by giving dollars in envelope. We don't want that again. We don't want that again. Giving dollars in envelope and be making fake promises. Making fake promises. I don't see God the governor war again. How about I go remind you now, I go send you this message because you are now the town crier. Since you now took it upon yourself, my brother, I go send you message, go give governor. Tell Mr. Governor, I've not seen one widow. No one widow don't come out. 3 months now. Now 3 months. Now on the 8th, he talk on the 8th of March, he's saying go do foundation of 1 billion naira for widows. I never see one widow where they say they give 500 naira to. I never see her for a wall. How about? Governor say foundation of 1 billion naira. That instantly, that very day, 3 months ago, if you don't know, go you war. 3 months ago, Mr. Governor donated 250 million naira. Who then use the 250 million naira to help me? Somebody like me, I want to know. Not the one that today the governor go say he want build gelegele. Till now we never see gelegele. I beat Ogberian so now don't they ship vessel through there. Me, I get a lot of things for my backyard here. I get a lot of things. I deal with auctions. Buying and selling. I deal with auctions here. They carry, if anywhere I feel buy goods, I go buy. Online, I go carry by myself. Ship on to Nigeria. So, me wants to not be the one way be say person who come the ship goods through Lagos. We want me with the ship through Gelegele. At least that alone, we create job for our brothers and sisters. Who they sell cold water, then go fish sell cold water. Who they sell mineral, then go fish sell. Who they sell orange, fish sell there. At least half of that job. See, south, southeast. At least the Igbo people, Edo people, we full Europe where. The Igbo people too full here. At least now that gelegele even come near them pass. Where is the gelegele? Mr. Governor, sir, where is the gelegele, sir? Where is gelegele, sir? Where is gelegele? We want to be shipping our vessel through gelegele. At least that is our own state. Our own state, we are shipping our vessel through gelegele. Is automatically, we are helping you also. We are helping you to create jobs, sir. Shipping goods through gelegele, automatically we give Edo indigene. Edo state indigene. You want to help Edo people. We applaud you, sir. Sir, there are a lot of people also in diaspora that want to help Edo people, sir. They want to be shipping their vessel, their goods, their container, even their loco, name it all, spaghetti, indomie, through gelegele, sir. We want to see gelegele. When are they going to commission Gelegele, sir? When are they going to commission Gelegele, sir? Are we going to talk about the industrial park? I'm more konya kosi, Mr. Governor. When you are making one promise, finish that promise. When you finish that promise, sir, you go to another promise again, and you go and finish it. I'm hearing yesterday now that I heard within the next 3 years, you are going to build airport in a donut. Mr. Governor, sir, I heard from few years ago that you people said Benin Airport will become international airport. Oh. We don't want Benin not be Lagos. Edo not be Lagos. It's not good make it be say Edo citizen. So long the Togberians don't say Edo not be Lagos. Many of us, somebody like me, I agree to it, sir. I agree to it, sir. Edo not be Lagos. Edo not be Lagos, sir. Edo, the Togberians, sir, they want Benin to have international airport. Benin International Airport. So that our brothers who are in the Togberian camp, when they are coming from Canada, is straight. Maybe they might have their transit in Heathrow Airport, in Brussels Airport, in Schiphol Airport, name it all, sir. In Frankfurt, name it all. They want to come and direct straight from wherever they want to transit, straight direct to Benin City. I give a Kaleko. At least Togberians, I'm helping you people now. Omakeke Benin no be Lagos. Omakeke no Watuore Reko. Before you people will come, why do Munda and that's why do ne Nokberu. Ancient kingdom. Togberians not supposed to even come down for Lagos because I don't know be Lagos. If na me be Togberian, iwa wako, ituoreva. Una know now. I be a lie. I don't know be Lagos. Fine. You anything no concerning Lagos, you go just stay away from her. Instantly. We want to worry about this way do. That is what we are. That is the reason we are not saying that Mr. Governor should build Benin International Airport for us, so that whenever we are flying, name it all, from Italy, from Netherlands, from Belgium, from France, from Germany, from Portugal, from Poland, name it all, straight to Benin. I be alive, my people. Straight to Benin. Even the South, they will also benefit. If Mr. Governor is able to work Benin International Airport, the Niger Delta will also benefit from it. Even the Southeast will also benefit because now we be the center of Nigeria. Center of Nigeria, the heartbeat of the nation. We are supposed to have international airport, not building another airport. The Kenana Benin Airport is building which airport we are now? Oh, come here, Baba. Mr. Governor, where you want to build the airport? Put the one where they Benin, you never even repair it. You go to the airport, you go be like say sometimes the thing you just fear airport in a here. I don't know whether they don't even repair this something because when I reached there 2011, the thing shocked me. You know, I want to me they ask. I thought they ask myself, what it be this one? Mr. Governor, sir, please, Edo people don't want any promise. The one you promise us, sir, fulfill those one first. Mr. Governor, fulfill those one first. Me, I'm fighting for your legacy, for you to have legacy. I am fighting for you to have legacy. If that Gelegele alone, it will give you good names, sir. The moment Edo people start shipping their vessel through Gelegele, they will be praying for you. They will be praying for you. Even our grandmother, we have a lot of grandfather. A lot of Edo people who are 80 years, going to 90 years. This is my sister Stella rugged too. She even rugged past me. Away go dig grant. Hey, yeah, not the only me one. Not the only me one. Roslyn Thomas Ijamu. I greet you, my beautiful sister. I beg, may we all come out. May we they talk for our state. Not be to insult. See wetin person right for Mr. Governor War. See wetin person right for Mr. Governor War. Because governor say, he want clean local government nenemi. He say, he want clean local government chairman. Say the thief whether 10 billion. He they look for 10 billion. So he want clean everywhere. He want clean. Now Governor War I foresee and as wetin person right. The person say, you have cleaned up AAU. You have cleaned up the state civil service. You are cleaning up local government council. And hope to hear more cleaning up in the next 3 years. Mr. Cleaner, keep cleaning the state. By 2024, the only achievement the state will celebrate is cleaning up, and other states would have achieved infrastructural development, agricultural development, human capital development, and creation of wealth among the youth. Delta and rivers are model. Mr. Governor, na person right am, e dey your wall. E dey your wall, sir. They say make you know they clean again. They don't want the cleaning. They want to be seeing your work, your handwork. They want to be seeing your handwork, sir. They said they don't want you to be cleaning everywhere. Don't clean. Don't clean because you said you are going to clean for the eternal revenue. Eternal revenue. Inigo, you said, I think 10 billion. And then the 10 billion, I have a kwebe mure. I beg him in where ya wa. Am I beg him in where ya for the past 5 years, you know? September now go make am 5 years again. I'll be November where they swear you in. 5 years. Industrial park is 5 years. Another person still write another thing. No, not be only me. I go just they read them. Not be me write them. Now people they write them. And I go they help them, they read them. Then they your war. Then they your war. Somebody write for your war say, Kenwan Road is taking you 5 years to build. 5 years. Huh? Kenwan Road is taking you 5 years to build. Huh? Industrial park for the past 5 years you promise. Even the motor house. Una don't see the motor house. Even that they use and they sing that I say a motor housing estate. A motor housing. I beg una don't see them. Anybody get a motor housing estate? Osiomo power plant. Okay, see what the person right. Industrial park uncompleted. 5 years gone. For the past 5 years, Mr. Governor tell Edo people say, he won't give them industrial park. 5 years now, they never see industrial park. He tell them say Gele seaport, then go the ship, Edo people go the ship vessel, they come. In one way container in our lie. 5 years now, it never happened. Motor park uncompleted. 5 years gone also. A motor park. Amamio Ew. Si omo no hero no ya win ya muruk bania. Easy man. Si omo power plant. Don't no get light. Si omo 5 years now. Another airport. Another laughable scam. 3 years left. It's a question the man is asking. Mr. Governor, sir, and Abatobaze, Abat, in winning government, is Abamweyi. I'm where you. I'm where you. I'm where you. Just down here, greet you, sister. Good evening. Suya kitchen. Me, we meaning we want yare. I greet you. How can you say you are building another airport, whereby the one in Benin City The capital of a state is nothing to write home about. It's nothing to write home about. The capital of a state, the airport there, is nothing to write home about. Building another airport is a waste of money. Lagos State Governor Sanwo-Olu is building railway. Can't you build railway, Mr. Governor? Use it to build railway so that Edo can also have train. Is it compulsory to have 2 airports? Whereby the first airport, there is nothing to write home about. An airport that is in a state capital. Capital city for that matter. The heartbeat of Nigeria. The center of Nigeria. Is nothing to write home about. Mr. Governor, sir. Do the right thing for Edo. Noah Frank, you say come to light. I will come to light, oh. Don't worry, I will come to light. Say now for darkness. These are the people that hate the truth. These are the people that don't know what they want. These are the people who collected 500 naira for their stomach and today they cannot talk. After you collect 500 naira, can't you say, yeah? You say, na me mumu pass. Fine, na me mumu pass. But I'm not living in darkness. I've got light in my house 24/7. So long I pay my bill. So long I pay my bill. The Central Park is almost completed, but I bet you that the money which was used in building it, to tell the Edo State, billions, you know. Billions, you know. You know, Frank, go and sit down. These are the people who said their birthrights. These are the Esau. These are the Esau in Nigeria. When you are talking that an elderly man, a man of 70, 80 years, is still ruling you because of your stomach infrastructure, that you cannot see beyond your future, you cannot see beyond your destiny, to reject 500 naira, to reject 5,000 naira. Who are you to blame? Are you going to blame the old man ruling you? Are you going to at least go and look the French president? Look the French president. I admire France for electing such person. He's a young, well calculated. But today, Azan will be your house, slap for your face, boy. Because maybe he fumble. He fumble for waiting he promised them. So everybody must not support you. And when people are not supporting you and they are hungry, then you do the right thing for them. If you want to join me not coming out, you are not my enemy, I'm not your enemy. But me not coming out to show my face. It is not by showing face. That is what a lot of people don't understand. It is not by showing face. Showing your face and you are constituting nuisance. At the end of the day, then still can't you join people where they wayward, where you come from Edo State? Is that what you want? Where you are in the social media. I don't fear facing here. When I never see where be say, then they pile up a lot, some people picture together. Don't come they use and they show for. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. I love my privacy. I love their privacy. They are just walking everywhere around me. I love that privacy. I wouldn't want to take their privacy away from them because I have to make my voice known. No. My voice is okay. Listen to my voice. If I choose to send my picture out, I choose to. I'm not scared of anybody. I'm not scared though. I'm not a fear. No, not be fear. But I just love the privacy that I'm giving to my children. And I love my privacy. So that is it. Listen to the message. That is what matters. Listen to the message. Not you are trying to deviate me from what I'm saying. Let me not go there. Let us talk to Governor Godwin Obaseki. See, 3 months ago, he war. I go repost him again. Me, I go they post all he talking now for my platform now. 3 months ago, are you happy that a governor will promise widow Say within he go before he come out for office, he go make sure say he give widow 1 billion naira. That very day, he donated 250 million naira. Till today, I never see one widow. Widow now they talk so. Your mama fit be widow, your auntie fit be widow, your brothers, your uncle, your brother wife, if he be widow, you don't know. So how can a state governor promise widow say he go give them money till 3 months today? And on the 8th of March, now they make that thing. Till today, I never see one widow for a war where they give envelope of 500 naira. It's unfair. It's unfair. That is promise upon promise. That is promise not being fulfilled. He's not fulfilling his promise. There is no need for him to promise. Don't promise again, Mr. Governor. When you know you cannot fulfill your promise, don't promise anybody. Promise and fail is a disgrace. Promising and failing the people is a letdown. Promising and failing the people is shameful, is a letdown, is disgraceful. How you go promise widow, say you want give the people where you not get mama, where you not get husband. People where you not get husband. Now you talking with your mouth. You say you don't call some of them. Until today, after 3 months, they never see one widow for your platform. Where it be say the whole envelope for hand. Either free or fake, make them still there your platform, because I know say the governor like to showcase. He not there about war. He not there Osakweno holding war. He not there Apostle Alfred war. Even comrade show where they invite the governor. He not there their war say this na the widow way benefit. Rather, Abato Baze is showing Madame Rosula Foundation palliative. How can our governor be promising? And meanwhile, a woman, and a dog woman, Madame Rosula, I know that woman since 1990. 1990. Any man come King Sonny Ade Adiedo. Again, Ijeyawo. I was in that burial. 1990. Now they talk. How you go begin leave government work now, Abat? Then Madame Rosula video, you can't they shoot. He's in Ubiaja now, giving palliative. He's in this, giving palliative. A governor made 250 million Latin on the 8th, where he say he won't give widow. Where the money? Where is widow collect from that money? Which widow? Which widow? Make una show us some widow, Abat. I love what you are doing, promoting Madame Rosula work, because she tried. Even in Lagos, Yoruba people, they are really happy with her doings. She tried. It's still good. Or what they were saying, Ije Uwese, Nuna de Jivier Bower, Una Jivier Dori. Uwese. Ebuama Ona Merojo, Saloban of Yangbo. But we want to see the widow in your wall, Post them on your wall. Those widow where government said 3 months ago on the 8th, quote me wrong if I'm lying, is on his wall. He was the one saying it, that they are giving 250 million naira out instantly to support the cause. A 1 billion high. Their target is 1 billion to share for all widow in Edo land. So while I will go, if you do, make we ask. This one are for widow with the fight now. This one not be gelegele oh no. This one are for widow. We need to voice out for the widow. We need to voice out for the widow. But Obaze, come and post some videos of the widow. Post some videos of the widows, or pictures of the widows that collected money from the foundation that the governor promised that he is going to do for the widow. He said 1 billion naira before he come off for office. 1 billion naira. Honor we 250,000 ladian. 250 million. Who don't benefit from that million is what we are asking. Me, I'm asking. Me, I'm asking. It can happen to anybody. Being a widow is not something that one have to laugh about. It is for everybody to know that, yes, we need to have... See now, let Prophet TB Joshua, may his soul rest in peace. Don't you see widow crying at the front of his church? Because the man touched their life. How can widow be sitting down and be praying, demanding that he should resurrect? If he didn't touch their life. Mr. Governor, sir, please, I'm begging you. You can joke with Gele Gele or give you a donation. Industrial park. A motor housing enemy. But don't joke with the widow. Don't joke with the widow, sir. These are women. These are women struggling to feed their children. They are in need of your support. Even if it is 5,000 naira, 5,000 naira can give them a full day meal for that day. They will still pray for you. They will still sing for you. They will praise your name and support you. Please, Mr. Governor, the 250 million naira you said you're going to give to them, please release it so that the widows will see something to use. I warn you, a problem at all. Janave widow. They need the help. Because you cannot imagine maybe only mother taking care of 7 children. It's painful. We all grew up in that state. We know what it's like. Even if you can't dare abroad, you know can't dare abroad, but we know, say yes. Our mothers, they tried. Mothers are the pillars in that kingdom. Mothers are the pillars. Sometimes you will go meet your papa, you go say, you know, get, oh, we're bourgeois. Abi, you never see her. How about? When I am you, here am I come out, but so we're bourgeois. You never see how we're bourgeois. Even if mama not get, before they break, some mama, they don't come up for us, or you don't want you, or ya in here. Even some mama go even carry their wrapper, go say. That is husband and wife, oh. Not to talk of only mothers taking care of children. And she don't even know where her help is coming from. This is 3 months ago I'm talking about. 3 months ago. Where 1 million naira, no, where mula diana, where widows. The governor say only for Oredo, then give him about 3,000 plus. He no talk of Ikpoba. No video 18 local government in talk. He said only Oredo. They gave him an estimation of 3,000 plus widow. So where they can't give you about 3,000 plus widow, those 3,000 plus widow, we're supposed to they see them for your war every day. At least you don't get their name, you don't get their information for data. That is what I'm talking about. I beg my people, we all should support this cause. We should ask our governor to please release the money for the widow. Widows are not to be toyed with. Widows are not to be played with. We don't need to play with them. Don't play with their emotion. At least people thank you that day. Fulfill your promise, sir. Whether na Jato you want put the airport, na Akoko Edo, na Onwa, we not gonna know. But for me, my own, I don't need another airport again. I don't need another airport. Look for how you are going to make Benin City Airport to become international airport, a well-standard airport. Because we are ancient country. Ancient country, ancient imagine. We are ancient. Benin Empire. That is what we are. We are supposed to have international airports. Oh, come here, Baba. Ancient kingdom. We are supposed to have international airports. Even though some of Americans last year, they came to Benin Kingdom. They came looking for their ancestors that they know that, yes, after their DNA, they said they are from Benin Kingdom. And they came to our palace. Don't you think people like that a lot will see come tomorrow? And there must be international airport. If that is what the governor is working towards for Edo people, I will be happy, I will be clapping. Not the one saying they want to build another airport. Nor rather so Edo, am I Edo Loniji? Build another airport for where? That one are miscalculation, sir. I beg you, Mr. Governor. Please, sir, don't even dig any hole anywhere. Don't even dig any hole. Egwe, ebe ya kantor anywhere. Don't even dig any hole. Just make that one because you promised them before that you're going to make it international airport. Make it international airport. The same promise you gave to us for Gele Gele. Make it international. Edo Kingdom deserve the best. We are ancient city. Ancient kingdom. Ancient kingdom. Ancient kingdom. Benin Empire have been existing for the past 2,000 years plus, even before Jesus Christ was born. Benin Empire don't they exist. Those Edo historians, make some of us, make we go they follow them, go know where Benin Empire, where we they toy with, where some of our Edo brother, they call social media, can't they do anyhow. Some of our Edo sisters, they call social media, can't they do anyhow. You are from Asian Kingdom and you are misbehaving on social media. Even some calling themselves general. You are a general and you are acting like a rat. Give yourself general. A general that is acting like a rat. A general that is a coward. A general that is wayward in speech. Who makes you a general? Social media general. Abio, my dear sister. Make you not make any promise again. We not want promise. Mr. Governor, I am on my knees, sir. Iwadigwe, I am on my knee. No make promise again, I beg. No make promise again. That's a motor. Just do one. College of Education, Ekiadolo. Do one. I'm from Ovia. And I will always sing with whatever concerns Ovia. Igwariahi. Open up for them. Anywhere you close in Edo land, any school, open it. So that our brothers and our sisters will not be wayward on the street. Where are the students is a question. College of Education close. Where the students where they go that school? Where they come they? And be not be some of them, they go shoot gun, they do everything. Because when the youth are not engaged in anything, automatically, some of them will constitute nuisance. Some of them will do things that they are not supposed to do. Maybe a brilliant, no. Abat, College of Education in Kandolo, you go that school, Abat. Why are you not singing to the governor to open the school? Because those students now, where those students is a question. Una they say killings full everywhere. Now so some guests they go do runs for timeout. Now so that they do all those things. Person where they can't close the school, what till you can't say make it do? Wait till you can't say make it do. Maybe now and that into the strike until where they abroad. Or uncle where they abroad may she forget money. But you know, since a brother anywhere they close College of Education or they close all those higher institutions, those ones go feel unconcerned because a junior sister don't need money again for anything. That is my take. Because if at the end of the day, you lock up school and you didn't engage the student, you not be saying you lock up the College of Education now, you can't carry them, go those students, can't transfer all of them, can't go maybe another College of Education for door of a red over. No. Before now, Abudu Teacher Training College, I know. Say maybe you can't carry them, go that side, say, okay, make una go finish una course before I finish building this one. You know they. But have a student in Yaribo. Mr. Governor, sir, please have a rethink of heart. Edo don't need any promise again. Just fulfill the one you promised before. If that's the only thing you do, you've done your best. You have your own legacy. Me, I want you to have your name written on the map. Just the way we are singing of Adam Oshomole. Because Adam Oshomole did a lot in Edo land. We also want you to do something. You know, they GRO anyone where you just tie the whole road in GRO. You connect everywhere. You put street light for everywhere. The Osemo power plant. You put street light for everywhere. GRO become real GRO. That is a good legacy for you. People will say, this GRO, every roadway there, this GRO, weird, just know. Now governor tie the whole road. Now governor put street light for all the whole road. Which governor? Governor Godwin Obaseki. Now so me I they see my own. Now so me I they tell they talk my own thing. Because person enough they go they sing, they praise Adam Oshomole wey be say you don't dey power now for 5 years. Me never see wetin I want to praise your name. Mr. Governor, you see that tree where you say you want plant today where I see. It's a good idea. Everywhere need, normal even for Europe. They plant trees. Because the trees, it helps a lot. It helps to control even erosion. It helps to control even winds to pull people's house down. The trees helps a lot. I'm in support of that tree that you said you want to plant. And my support is a good idea. Even though we even have even more rubber plantation, they will even have more woods. At least now we they build house pass. More furnitures. It is good. Even the trees will protect a lot of, even it may be na house, because sometimes if wind they blow, trees they there, you not go even know whether problem. That house, you know, go hardly before you go pull the roof. Because that tree go sustain that wind from pulling the roof. That is it. Now so, because if Benin the user make parable say, if you they praise who die, who they alive supposed to have a rethink. And that's why we are saying, somebody like me, I will keep on saying Adam Sali Oshomole, because I saw his work. I saw the red roof movement. If supposing as Adam Ali Oshomole just stop, Governor Godwin Obaseki just started on with blue roof movement, it go for good. It's also a legacy on his own name. But not all this promise, gele, sign MOU here, sign MOU there, sign MOU, no. Edo don't want. Edo don't want. Please, sir, there is no need for another airport. Make Benin Airport, even make it. If you even want to make it another airport, go and build a bigger one in Edo land, a bigger space to make it international airport. Benin International Airport. We deserve it as an ancient kingdom. Ancient kingdom, ancient people that we are. We deserve international airport. We deserve international airport. We traveled a lot. Edo people have the highest population in diaspora. Name it all over the world. There is no place you will never see a Edo person. We deserve international airport. You have two local airports. No, I beg. My people, I don't want just hear of that airport. Make I just off my telephone. Now do well. Thank you all for standing with me. Thank you all for listening. Thank you all. Albert, have a rethink. No nyana omanya hue. I can see pride is running through you, which it is not good. Governor Godwin Obaseki didn't send you a message. The governor didn't send you any message. Don't create problem for him. Don't make people to start talking to the governor, to start insulting the governor. Don't do it, because what you are doing, the way you are driving your mouth here and there, my brother, you are creating another problem for the governor. You are constituting nuisance to the governor, to God who made me. Now, because of you, many people come and they talk to the governor. To God who made me. Anybody want to talk to Albert, he must put governor on joiner. He must put governor on joiner because you are creating a lot of havoc. You are creating a lot of havoc, Albert. Stay away. Mind your own business. Election is over. Normally, this is the time when Omateya were diplomatic. You are supposed to even gather both the APC and PDP for the governor. You are supposed to even gather both APC, both PDP, even Comrade Tony Kabaka. You're supposed to even do video with Comrade Tony Kabaka and say, Baba, we know the quarrel, politics finish. You are supposed to do that for Edo people to see that, yes, politics is just a game. Politics is just a game. It's a game. You say your own, I say my own, but it doesn't mean that we are not brothers and sisters. It doesn't mean that we are not friends. It doesn't mean we are not enemy. Don't be the one you do this one. You say insult Comrade Oshomole. You say insult Pastor Sageze Yamu. But you insulted people around them. Your mouth drive rough for others to go and insult them. Your mouth drive rough. The trumpet you were singing was driving rough. Abat. Don't do it. To God who made me, don't do it. You are also the one, the same person. Only you want, you go fight APC people. Only you want, you go even fight some of the Togberians. It's not good, Abat. It's not good, my brother. It's not good. It's not good. I know you will change, but you have to change. Don't take it upon yourself that, oh, now me know who and who. To God who made me. If somebody like me show my face and I bring a lot of proof for you out, you will not say some members of my family have done more than enough for Obaseki than you talking. About a lot of people, person will not talk. You know me say, the person a fool, and they tell you, not be only you want help Obaseki. Me are their opposition. Some of my family members don't do a lot for Obaseki. A lot. Where you are, but fear not let you dare go there. Fear not let you are, but dare go there, go represent them. Abat, I have a change of heart. You can unite. It's so shameful that you play politics. Only you and Ebo still come the waka. It's not good, Abat. It's not good. Use even Osakweno Hodin in the connect diaspora. Only in Megwani Guiji, wherever there too wherever Sakweno Hodin, and you are connecting Edo people. Me, I will not have problem with that. But you are not in abroad. Don't connect anybody because I'm seeing those things as kind of defrauding a diaspora. I'm sorry. You are not living in diaspora and you are connecting diaspora. Who are you? Where are you going to connect? Are you in France? Are you in Italy? Are you in Belgium? Are you in Netherlands? Are you in Portugal? Are you in Poland or in Germany? Where are you going to connect? Good evening, my dear brother Dave David. I greet you. But you fought with Kosakweno Wodi Abat. You fought with Sellers. You fought with Comrade Show. You are fighting with a lot of people. You are fighting with a lot of people. And at the end of the day, your own way of playing politics shows that you are just scared. Abat, you are scared to lose. And they tell you, Abat, the way you they take one like drive everybody come out. Even if Comrade Tony Kabaka go government house tomorrow, you cannot stop him. To God who made me. If Comrade Tony Kabaka want go government house tomorrow, he want go snap picture with governor, you cannot stop him. Because why? They are from one blood. They are still Tony Kabaka, Comrade Tony Kabaka, still remain a bona fide son of the Obaseki family. The Obaseki gene is still in his blood. So you cannot change that, my brother. Joe Best, go away. You wait daylight, you cannot talk. Madam, you in the darkness. In the darkness is better. You that is in the light, can you open your mouth and talk? Can you open your platform and talk? You cannot speak. So while others speak for you, you keep quiet. Just listen. And you watch. You cannot talk. You cannot speak. If you can speak, you cannot be moving from one platform to another. Thank you, Anita. He has not done anything. He's not helping Obaseki in a good way. To God who made me. Albert is going to provoke a lot of people to start coming out to insult the governor. To God who made me. Albert need to be cautioned. Albert need to be cautioned. If anybody want go government house, he not concern Albert. Even if Imalo Agbogun want go governor house tomorrow, he not concern Albert. He not concern Albert. Don't be an obstacle, because the way you are doing things, Albert, it shows you are scared. You are scared. You have a lot to lose. That is what you are trying to protect. Highway politics is very Albert. Highway politics is very honey. Even if, because at the end of the day, not be only you want to vote for the governor. Not be only you want to vote for the governor. Not be only your vote. You only have one vote. You only have one vote. Moreover, you were constituting a lot of nuisance on social media, making people to insult prominent Edo people. That is what I'm saying. So please have a rethink about. Change your way of doing things. Change your way of talking. Change your way of talking. Don't insult people. Don't downgrade people. Because it shows you are scared. You are protecting your own stomach. A cool workman will protect. You don't want Comrade Show to have anything to do with the governor. You don't want Osakwenokoni to have anything to do with the governor. You don't want Steelers to have anything to do with the governor. You don't want Comrade Show. You don't want Comrade Tony Kabaka. You don't want Teranomigo. You don't want everybody to have anything to do with the governor. A governor Walkmanyaya. Walkmanyaya Abat. Tomorrow now, if he come there, go snap picture with the governor. Who me and you? Who me and you? Provided I not go meet governor, say, come give me money, and not for money. His son is becoming too much the way he's talking. It looks as if he's the owner of the governor, or he's the one even controlling the governor. That is the way you are doing, Abba. It looks like you are the one controlling Governor Godwin Obaseki. Oh, where governor. I'm telling you, my brother, change your way of talking. Not be everything you go see, say people talk or do. You come on live video. Come they talk. Hey, I get a lot of your video. I get a lot. And so what? When my beggar me not soon know that French president here. Didn't you watch the video? It's better you share it on your platform. And they tell you, hey, some menstruation party, vakara, okay, panty, because be careful, all beige senator. Abats. Have a change. Don't let people insult the governor because of you. Because what you are doing is shows that you are only protecting your own self. You are scared. What are you scared for, Abat? Why are you scared? Why are you scared? You don't need to come out to criticize anybody. If person say, now today that they see Dikampi, your governor not Dikam go PDP. Governor Obaseki has emotion more do for a rich. He still come out. The camp. Now today they see the campi. If they want the camp, now they start. You just carry the whole thing as if say now you the rule Obaseki. The way about they do him, it just shows say now you the rule Obaseki. To God who made me. It's so shameful. To God who made me. It's shameful. Even the Comrade Show and the Apostle Humphrey, they're not they behave like that. They know they behave the way you they behave about. It gets some things, some video where you go see, you go just swallow who want me not say. You no need to talk about the video. You no need to address the video because it not concern you. But if you can't they come at it, go show say now you they direct the governor. It not good. Good night, my people. Thank you all so much for watching. How about change your character? To God who made me. Change your character.